Switching from a Mac to Outlook, or just trying to get your Apple Mail into Outlook in Windows, and finding it simply won't go across. You are not doing anything wrong. Apple Mail stores your email in a format called MBOX, and Outlook can't read MBOX. It needs a PST file. So your mail isn't lost. It's just in the incompatible file format. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to convert Apple Mailbox or MBOX into Outlook PST, a free online MBOX to converter service for everyday mailboxes, plus the desktop software for large ones, with your folders, contacts, and attachments kept intact. First, let's get your mail out of Apple Mail. Open Apple Mail, and in the left sidebar, select the mailbox or folder you want to move. Go to Mailbox menu at the top, choose Export Mailbox, and pick up a folder to save it to. Apple Mail saves it as an MBOX file. That's the file we will convert. If you have several folders, you can export them one by one. Now let's turn that MBOX into an Outlook ready PST, and it is free to start. Here is how it works. Step 1. Click on Upload MBOX file you just exported from Apple Mailbox. Click on the MBOX and click Open. The upload starts. Step 2. Click Start Conversion. The tool processes the file automatically and rebuilds it as on Outlook PST. Step 3. Preview the converted mailbox right in your browser, your folders, emails, and attachments before you download anything. That way you can confirm everything is there first. So click on Preview, click on the downloaded file, and it should show this way. And here we have all the emails and files for me. We can go ahead and close this one. And next step, we will download the PST and save it to our computer. The free plan lets you get started at no cost, and the premium plan handles files from 100 mega up to 5 giga. Click Save PST File. Download PST. For now, we'll go with the free plan. And the download will begin. Now our folder or file has been downloaded. Now bring it into Outlook. Go to File, then Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook Data File. Locate the file that you've just downloaded now. Click on it to be selected and click OK. It has created personal file folders on the left. Click on it. And here you have your Apple Mail folders, emails, and attachments inside Outlook with the original structure preserved. The online MBOX to PST service is perfect for everyday mailboxes. But if you are moving a very large archive or batch MBOX files at once, the desktop software Stellar Converter for MBOX is a better choice. It converts multiple files in one go, has no file size limit, and processes everything locally on your own machine, so your data never leaves your computer. It can also export straight to Office 365, and it brings across contacts and calendars too, not just emails. So, for a normal Apple Mailbox, the free online service will do the job in minutes. For a larger file, the premium online plan handles up to 5 giga. And for big archive, multiple files, or a move to Office 365, go with the desktop software. Both options are linked in the description. For a quick conversion, start free at the online MBOX to a PST. For a large or bulk jobs, use Stellar Converter for MBOX on desktop. If this helped you to get your mail into Outlook, give it a like and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which email client you are moving from.